Is your YouView box constantly turning off by itself? You're not alone. Many users experience this frustrating auto shutdown issue across different models. This problem affects various models, including the Humax DTR T1000, DTR T2000, and BT YouView boxes. Let's look at some of these common models. There are 4 main causes behind these auto shutdown issues. Understanding these causes is the first step to solving the problem. Overheating is by far the most common cause, accounting for 68% of all shutdown issues. When dust blocks the vents or the room temperature is too high, internal components get too hot. The box has built-in temperature sensors that automatically shut down the system when components exceed safe operating temperatures. This prevents permanent damage to the electronics. Power supply problems are the second most common cause. As YouView boxes age, especially those over 3 to 4 years old, internal components like capacitors begin to degrade. Software glitches account for about 23% of shutdown issues. These can include firmware bugs, corrupted system files, or misconfigured automatic standby settings. Finally, hardware component failures account for the remaining 9% of cases. This includes failing hard drives that generate excessive heat, faulty cooling fans, or general motherboard component degradation. Understanding these 4 main causes, overheating, power supply issues, software problems, and hardware failures, is essential for diagnosing your YouView box shutdown problem. In the next section, we'll explore how to troubleshoot and fix these issues. The most effective first step is performing a power cycle reset. This simple process resolves about 40% of auto shutdown issues caused by software glitches. First, unplug your YouView box from the power outlet and wait exactly 30 seconds. This allows all internal capacitors to fully discharge. While the box is unplugged, hold down the power button for 10 seconds. This ensures any residual power is completely drained from the system. Finally, reconnect the power cable and turn the box back on. This process clears temporary files and resets the internal software state. If the power cycle doesn't work, the issue is likely overheating. Proper ventilation is crucial. Your YouView box needs at least 6 inches of clearance around all vents. Use compressed air to clean the vents and remove dust buildup. Dust accumulation is the primary cause of overheating in YouView boxes. If ventilation improvements don't solve the problem, try a factory reset. This resolves about 60% of persistent software issues, but will erase all your recordings and settings. Navigate to Settings, then Device Management, and select Factory Reset. The process takes about 5 minutes and will restart your box automatically. Check for software updates, as recent updates from 2024 and 2025 include improved thermal management features that can prevent auto shutdowns. For advanced users, you can check your hard drive health using the diagnostic menu. Press Menu, 0, 1, and select simultaneously to access hidden diagnostics. If none of the previous steps work, the issue may be a failing power supply. This is more common in units over 3 to 4 years old and may require professional replacement. Regular maintenance can prevent future auto shutdown issues. Clean your box monthly, ensure proper ventilation, and keep the ambient temperature below 23 degrees Celsius for optimal performance.